Are you ready to soar into the future of aerial photography? Join me as we ascend into the exciting world of drones, where innovation knows no bounds. Today, we're zeroing in on the hotly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a potential game changer that's set to redefine what's possible in the realm of compact drones. The drone market is a sky-high arena where tech titans constantly push the envelope. DJI has undeniably secured its position as a leading player, particularly in the consumer drone segment. Their Mini series has captured the hearts of both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned pilots alike, thanks to its perfect blend of portability and performance. The Mini 4 Pro raised the bar, but the insatiable appetite for progress has left many craving more. Enter the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a rumored marvel promising to take things to unprecedented heights. But before we dive into the realm of speculation, let's acknowledge the impressive foundation laid by its predecessor. The Mini 4 Pro was a capable flyer with a commendable camera, striking a balance between affordability and quality. However, it was the incremental improvements over its forebear that left some feeling a touch underwhelmed. The burning question on everyone's lips is, can the Mini 5 Pro deliver the quantum leap that its predecessor couldn't quite achieve? To explore this, we must scrutinize the areas ripe for enhancement. At the heart of any drone lies its camera. The Mini 4 Pro's imaging capabilities were respectable, but exhibited room for improvement, particularly in low-light environments and dynamic range. This is where the Mini 5 Pro could truly shine. Industry whispers suggest that DJI might equip this model with a larger image sensor, a move that could be a game changer. Imagine capturing jaw-dropping aerial footage with exceptional detail, even when the sun dips below the horizon. Such a leap forward would elevate the Mini series to a whole new echelon of photographic prowess. Another potential area for growth is video frame rate. Smoother, more cinematic footage is always desirable, and a higher frame rate could significantly enhance the overall video experience. While details about pricing and availability remain shrouded in mystery, it's reasonable to expect the Mini 5 Pro to offer excellent value for money, considering the anticipated upgrades. Maintaining a competitive price point will be crucial for DJI to solidify its dominance in the consumer drone market. Anticipation for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is reaching fever pitch, with drone enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its official unveiling. If the rumors hold true, this drone could redefine the standards for compact aerial photography, seamlessly blending advanced features with user-friendly innovation. Stay tuned for the latest updates and in-depth reviews of the Mini 5 Pro once it hits the market. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech-packed adventures.